Hey guys, so as you know, fall is here, and so I just want to warm my hair up a little bit. We're gonna do kind of a reddish copper color. Some of you may know it as Cowgirl Copper. Maybe you've seen that going around. They're kind of just that, like, yeah, it's kind of more of a like subtle brown red, but that's what we're going for. Nothing too crazy. I haven't done red in a long time, so we'll see how it goes. Also, as you can see, I do have a darker root, which I'm okay with because I don't want it to be super bright red, but you can do this with like a lighter level and it will be more red like all over. So mine's gonna be more like go from dark to light, which I'm okay with. That's good. So, but that's just kind of, those are just kind of my inspiration pictures. These are the colors we're going to be working with today. On my root, I'm going to do a 6RO and 5CB from Redken. And then throughout the ends, I'm going to do more of a 7 CCGB and 8C. So we get a little bit of the copper mixed with some golds and browns that will kind of calm it down a little bit. So here we go. Okay, so I only used a demi developer, which means it only deposits onto the hair, it doesn't lift it. And so I'm only gonna need to leave it on for like 20-25 minutes. So we'll leave it on and then I'll wash it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Should be fun. And make sure when you do red, you wear gloves because it will stain your hands. Okay, so the verdict is I love it. It's a very pretty warm, like fall color, very pumpkin spicy. So good. Now, like I was saying earlier, if you did want it lighter throughout and you have my color, you would have to lighten up here first and then you would get it the same color kind of more throughout. But I just wanted to kind of color what was lighter through my hair. But yes, this would be a very pretty all over like fall color. I do love it. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. I will answer those for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more content, or let me know what you want to hear next. So, trying to keep up with the trends here. It's looking good. Love it.